Hi friends! Today we're going to be talking ugly sweaters and I'm going to show you what I got in the ugly sweater swap. It is December 19th and day 19 of Vlogmas. We are going to kick this video off with my pin advent calendar. It was curated by my friend Mary over at Jolly Holiday with Mary. So I highly encourage you, after you watch this video, to go head over to her channel and see what pin I curated for her that she unboxed today. Today we are unboxing this present. Another little Deathy turtle. You've probably told me in the comments before, but I need to get his name right. That's what happens when you film these in advance. But he is totally my favorite and perfect for our Polynesian living room. So little Ollie here is playing his guitar with a sun behind him, just loving life. And he has a little Mickey on his knee. Does that make him have a Disney? Mary, thank you so much. Now let's get into today's video. So my friend Amanda from the Heights to Disney messaged me back in October because I was interested in participating in her ugly sweater swap. So myself and a handful of other YouTubers swapped ugly sweaters. They did not need to be Disney sweaters, just awesome ugly sweaters. And I'm gonna show you what I got today. Now, there was a little mishap with my sweater, which totally my fault, but I unboxed it not on camera. So in order to give you some fun, festive content, I'm going to show you a couple of my favorite ugly sweaters before showing you the sweater I got in the swap. So I feel like I have been an ugly sweater fan before the ugly sweater craze kind of happened. As my mother would tell me, they are not ugly sweaters, they are Christmas sweaters. But every year I will borrow her Christmas sweaters and wear them. And I love them because they're kind of that 90s mom, awesome sweaters. And I like to kind of style them up and make them a little more modern. So I'm gonna show you 3 of my favorite sweaters that I steal from her. So the first sweater I'm gonna show you is this sweater vest. It is amazing. I love ugly sweater vests. I think they work really well because you can kind of put them with like a dress or a top and pants. I usually wear them over a dress though. But this one is so awesome and creepy. I mean, look at it. So it's got this creepy moon with a Santa hat on. Why? And then it also has this creepy clown who is trying to give candy to children, I'm pretty sure. But I just love the kind of the charm of this. I mean, it's got lots of like little embellishments everywhere. Like there's little bows on the ornaments and little baubles, and then kind of the textured buttons here. It even goes on the back with little ornaments and stars. So this is definitely one I go towards. I love the sweater vests or ugly sweaters with buttons because, like I said, I really like wearing them with dresses, and I think it just elevates it a little bit, even though it's so awesome and creepy. All right, so this next one is a full-on sweater. It has these awesome sequins, which I just love. I think they're fantastic. It sort of has like an Argyle feel, and you get little Christmas magic in every section of the Argyle. So we got the tree, ornaments, presents, holly, and then a stocking. And the absolute best part about this sweater, yes people, there are shoulder pads in here. So you're really feeling the 90s Christmas vibes. And then the last one I'm going to show you is another sweater vest. I like have to lift it over my head so you guys can see. This one is bright red, which I adore. And the best part of this is it literally has a cat. You can see the cat right over here. Those are his like whiskers there. He's sitting on a present and literally trying to reach the bell ornament. Probably on the tree, like you can kind of see the tree on the sleeve. Yes, This is amazing. This is my favorite one. Well, now that we've seen some of my favorite ugly sweaters, I'm gonna show you the sweater that Amanda got me. And then Amanda wrote me a really sweet note. She actually moved down to Orlando, Disney area this month. I don't know how she did it during the holidays, but I am so jealous, Amanda. You are like going to Disney every other day. It's not fair. But thank you for taking the time to send me my sweater. All right, here's the sweater I got from Amanda. It is so cute and so ugly. I love it. So I'll show you. It's kind of got like sections. So on the one side, we got these little Christmas bells. Then there is a Christmas tree landscape here with two little trees. Then we have a Frosty. Then over on this side, we've got a Christmas rocking horse. Of course, Santa Claus, and he's skiing of all things. And then down here we got Christmas presents. And then we got these sleeves over here. This is like really nice and long too, so I would feel totally fine wearing leggings and like tucking like a little shirt in or something. Very excited to wear this, Amanda. Well guys, be sure to look below into the description. I'm gonna put the rest of the channels who participated in this ugly sweater swap. I can't wait to see all of the ugliness that they are going to get. It is gonna be so fun and Christmassy. So you should definitely check them out too. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment below. Tell me, what was your favorite sweater that I showed today? And if you aren't already subscribed, I would love for you to join our mouse and mermaid family. I hope that you have a very Merry Christmas. Peace, love, and Kwaherini. Before you go, we wanted to make sure you had a chance to catch our feature in-park video for Vlogmas. You can find a link to the video up above or down in the description. In this feature video, we go to Animal Kingdom and enjoy all of the amazing nighttime activities, including the Rivers of Light show. So if you're missing that it's over, you need to check this video out. I hope you'll go give it a watch.